How to find deals on Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of Marketplace. With that, you will find different item options. Now at the top right corner, you will find the search icon. Click on it. Now you can go ahead and select the category. I will be selecting women's clothing and shoes. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, you can type in the name of the product that you want to purchase. Likewise, you can select the location. Just click on this option. Set the location and then click on apply. Likewise, click on this option of filters. Now you can customize all these settings. Condition, listed date, category and so on. With that, you're gonna find all the great deals. If you're interested in any of the item, just click on it. Now you can type in your message and send it to the seller. With that, you're gonna get reply from the seller. So this way you can easily find deals on Facebook Marketplace. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.